pacifier.
Avery, why don't you show us your tooth, baby girl? Avery got her first tooth yesterday. Didn't ya? Here, move your tongue so we can see. She's like, I can't get it. Come here, Avery, so we can see it. Come here so we can see your baby's first tooth. Come on. Did you get your tooth yesterday? No? Come on. We want to see your tooth, baby. Oh, let's show it to us. Let's show it to us. There it is. There's your first tooth. You got a tooth, baby. Oh, I love it. What do you think about Sissy got her first tooth before you? Nothing. Come here, Avery. Stand up over here. We're so proud of you for getting your first tooth. Yes, we are. We are so proud of you for getting your first tooth. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.